Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar's online class. You're watching Class 4 Science. Today we will see a new lesson, Lesson 7 Safety and First Aid. This is Part 1. Let's begin. Rohan was running around in the house. Suddenly, he bumped into the furniture and got hurt. Such an unpleasant event that happens unexpectedly and causes injury is called an accident. Accidents cause pain and suffering. They occur when someone is in a hurry or careless. Accidents happen when we are not careful about what we do. Almost all accidents happen when we are careless. They happen when we carelessly cut our finger with a knife instead of the vegetables, cross the road without looking, drive rashly, lean too far out of the window, and so on. So, safety is as important for life as eating right and keeping fit. We can keep safe and avoid accident by being aware of our surroundings and following some simple rules. Accidents may occur anytime, anywhere, without giving any warning. We often get hurt at home, in school, in the playground, or on the road. Most of the accidents occur due to our carelessness. We can avoid most of the accidents by following safety rules. First one, safety at home. Slipping on the floor, a wet floor is dangerous and can harm us. We may slip or fall on the wet floor easily. To avoid such accident, we should follow these safety rules. Keep the floor dry. Floors of kitchen and bathroom should not be slippery. Never leave your toys on the floor or stairs. You may trip over your toys. Fire in the kitchen. Accidents due to fire in the kitchen can cause serious injury. To avoid such accident, we should follow these safety rules. In case of a leakage of gas, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. Do not light matchsticks or turn on electric switches at the time of gas leakage. Do not pick up anything from a burning gas stove. Do not wear synthetic clothes while working in kitchen. They catch fire easily. Do not play with things made of glass. They can break easily and cause hurts and wounds. Do not play with things like knives, blades, and pins that can prick you. In case of you hurt yourself with a rushed object, consult a doctor. You may need a tetanus injection. Electric shocks. Electrical appliances are very useful to us, but they can be dangerous when handled carelessly. To avoid electric shocks, we should follow these safety rules. Do not touch an electrical gadget or switch with wet hands or barefoot. Do not go too close to heaters or table fans when they are on. Turn off the switches before touching them. Do not touch a damaged wire. When someone gets an electric shock or you notice a spark, Turn off the main switch immediately. Poisoning. Poisoning is also a common kind of accident at home. To avoid such accidents, we should follow these safety rules. Never take any medicine unless your parents or a doctor gives it to you. All poisonous chemicals like floor cleaner and detergent should be kept away from eatables and reach of the children. Do not eat stale, spoiled, and exposed food. It can cause food poisoning. The next one, safety in the playground. We must be very careful while playing. We should follow these safety rules in the playground. Do not push or hit each other while playing. Do not play rough games. Stay away from the swing when someone is using them. Do not jump from the seesaw without informing your partner. You have to follow these safety rules in the playground. Will you do it, children? Good. The next one, safety in school. In school, many accidents happen when children are in a hurry. To avoid such accident, we should follow these safety rules. Do not rush or push each other, especially on the stairs. Do not jump on the benches. Do not throw any things in the classroom. Next one, safety on the road. Careless driving and carelessness of pedestrians cause accidents on the road. We should follow the safety rules on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. When there is no zebra crossing, look first to your right, then left, and then to your right again. When no vehicles is coming, then cross the road. Never cross a road behind a parked vehicle. Always follow the traffic rules and lights. Never run or play on the road. Never stick your hand or head out of a window from a moving car. The next one is fire safety. Fire is our friend when it cooks our food, keeps us warm during the winter, and lights our way in the dark. However, it becomes our enemy when it goes out of control. Then it can kill or injure us. It can destroy our homes. It can reduce an entire forest to an empty land and burn everything to ashes. Prevention. Fire does not give us any warning before it starts. It may start from something as small as a lighted matchstick that is carelessly thrown away. It can start from a candle burning near a curtain. Carelessness while cooking could lead to be a big fire. Here is what you can do to avoid it. Wear cotton clothes while standing near the cooking stove. Synthetic clothes catch fire easily. Do things in the kitchen only if an elder is with you. Do not play with lighters and matchsticks, Extinguish a used matchstick before throwing it away. Keep all emergency telephone numbers with your hand. Store petrol and kerosene safely away from any source of heat, as they catch fire easily. Turn off the gas stove and regulator when not in use. If a fire starts in the place around you, what are the safety rules we have to follow? First one, cover your nose and mouth with a wet cloth. Smoke kills more people than actual fire. Get to the floor and crawl out of room. If the fire has started due to an electrical gadget or oil, never use water to put it out. Use sand instead. For all other fires, use a fire extinguisher and water. If a door is closed, first put your hand against it. If the door feels hard, it means there is a fire on the other side. Do not open the door. Try to find another way to get out. If you are alone, shout and bang on doors and walls to let your family know about the danger. If your clothes catch fire, what you can do? First, never run if your clothes catch fire, as this will fan the fire and spread it. First, you stop where you are and cover your face with your hands. Drop to the ground, then roll on the floor. This will cut off the air supply and stop the fire. It will also reduce the burns you get. In case someone else's clothes catch fire, what you will do? First, roll him in a blanket till the flames are put out. Do not pour water, as a person with a severe burns may go into a state of shock. Students, here you have some hard question. You just think and answer for the question. Okay, students? First one, why nylon clothes are avoided on Diwali? Do you have any idea? Yes. During Diwali celebration, children and elders burst firecrackers, right? Nylon is a synthetic fiber that catches fire easily and stick to the body, whereas cotton does not catch fire. So we must avoid nylon cloths on Diwali. Okay. Next question. Chris goes to the kitchen for a glass of water. He senses a bad smell of some gas there and notices that the knob of the gas stove is open. What should he do immediately? First, he immediately closes the knob of the gas stove. Then he will open the doors and windows to let the gas out. Thank you, students. Have a good day.